Got my crate in from Skip White. Had to go to the shipper and pick it up, or I was gonna be waiting some more time to get it, some more days. So I went and picked it up myself. About to take it off the truck and unpackage it. Like I got my dart heads.
I was hoping we could probably take it off next weekend. Cause Sunday, I gotta go grocery shop this shit.
You ain't went yet?
No, last week I couldn't. I ain't even about to ask you how much you spent on that. Dart heads are not cheap. And then it probably was about 400 a piece, wasn't it? I couldn't demo it.
My roof was shot.
Oh, come on.
Party.
Come on. All right. Pull the top.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Clear. Ooh, this is nice.
You gonna keep that?
Well, you gonna have some fun here, buddy.
How many horses this bitch gonna put?
What? So we got the pallet down off the truck, and here we got it unpackaged. All the plastic, most of the plastic is off. You got a 572 big block Chevy, dark block, big M block, fully balanced, ARP 2000 bolts, upgraded wrist pins. I got the pistons for low compression for boost. Skip White. Also, I got 345 dart heads. So this is what it looks like coming from Skip White. Fully assembled short block. And like I say, it's a dark block. Scat rods and crank. The SF5 balancer and flywheel. We're gonna put it in this blue GTO. Please subscribe to the channel. See this ProCharge build going on the GTO.
it.